Today we're going to be making these really great lavender sachets. They are no-sew. You can make them in 5 minutes. So join me and I hope you love them. I did want to show you that this is a 1 pound bag of lavender, dried lavender. So if you're ordering it online, this is actually, I've used some of this. So this is a 1 pound bag. It's pretty big, just so you have an idea of what that looks like. This is a quick, easy, and perfect project for a gift. Supplies are listed in the description below. Glue the lace trim onto the top fabric piece. You can use any scraps that you have, little pieces of lace or trim, put them in a way that is appealing to you. I like kind of a monochromatic theme, so I like all of this beige, and I did tea dye this material. I am using Fabri-fix glue here and I love it. It's my favorite glue. The trim has already been glued onto this one. I had a little piece of ticking and some lace. Trim off any excess from that top piece. Make sure the material is right sides out and glue around 3 sides of this bottom piece. You want to keep the top open so you can put the lavender inside. And repeat this for the second one. I add 1 cup of dried lavender. I use a 1/4 cup and I put the lavender in per 1/4 cup. It just makes it easier to fill. Then I add 3 drops of essential oil. I am using Bergamot with this. It smells amazing. Glue the end and make sure it's sealed closed. And repeat this process for the next sachet. Now you have 2 pretty and wonderful smelling sachets that you did in no time at all. Please like and subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share this video. I'll see you next time. Hi, I'm Lori from Nom to the Mines.